Good morning, this is your stats sensei, Mr. Spensei, and we are going to do an exit ticket, and our exit ticket is going to refer back to the warm-up we did this morning. So based on the decision you made in our warm-up, write your conclusion and answer the question. So what was our question? Well, we had a coffee machine dispensing coffee, and you're supposed to get 10 ounces and from the cup, but it varies. The distribution is normal. Here are the amounts measured in a random sample of 20 cups. Machine produces an average over 300 cups an hour. Tested alpha equal 0.03 to determine whether or not the machine is serving less than 10 ounces of coffee. So we entered that data into stat edit, and we found out that we had a sample mean of 9.845 and a standard deviation 0.1986. We got a t statistic of 3.49, a negative 3.49, and a p-value of 0.0012. So our decision was to reject the null. So based on our decision made in the warm-up, write your conclusion and answer the question below. So our p-value is 0.0012. We reject the null. There is a 0.0012. There is enough. And I like using the word sufficient. There is sufficient evidence at alpha equal 0.03. That was our alpha level. That was given to us up in our warm-up to suggest that the true population mean amount of coffee is less than 10 ounces. All right. Kind of important to say what it is, so make sure you have the ounces. Our alternative was less than 10 ounces, and it appears they're less than 10 ounces based on what we found. Explain your findings in language that those who watch the news and have not had statistics would understand. So what we basically said was we wanted to know if the coffee machine was underfilling the cups. We took a random sample of 20 cups of coffee and found that there was an average, that on average the cups were only being filled with 9.845 ounces. That's only a little bit less, so it could have happened by random chance. So we ran a statistical test. And it turns out there's a 0.12% chance of this happening. We believe the cups are being underfilled by the machine, and the machine needs to be adjusted. All right, appreciate you watching and hope to see you on the next one.